oxygen. It's a simple molecule, just two atoms bound together, yet it holds the key to life on Earth. It's the invisible gas we barely notice, a silent partner in our daily lives. We take it for granted, inhaling and exhaling without a second thought, yet we can't live without it. Every breath we take is a testament to its importance. Our lungs work tirelessly, drawing in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, a process so automatic we rarely give it a moment's consideration. It fuels our cells, powers our bodies, and makes up a significant portion of the air we breathe. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, the process by which our cells produce energy. Without it, our muscles would fail, our brains would cease to function, and life would come to a standstill. Without oxygen, life as we know it wouldn't exist. From the smallest microorganisms to the largest mammals, every living being relies on this vital element. Plants, too, play a crucial role, producing oxygen through photosynthesis, a process that sustains the balance of life on our planet. From the tiniest insects to the largest whales, we all depend on this vital element. The diversity of life on Earth is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of organisms that have evolved to thrive in an oxygen-rich environment. But what if, for just 1 hour, Earth lost all its oxygen? Imagine the chaos and confusion. The very air we breathe would vanish, leaving us gasping for breath. Buildings and structures would crumble, as oxygen is a key component in the chemical bonds that hold materials together. What would happen to our planet and its inhabitants? The consequences would be catastrophic. Fires would extinguish, planes would fall from the sky, and electronic devices would fail. The delicate balance of life would be disrupted, leading to unimaginable suffering and loss. The consequences would be swift and dramatic, impacting every corner of our world. Ecosystems would collapse, and the intricate web of life would unravel. The absence of oxygen would trigger a chain reaction of events, each more devastating than the last. Join me as we explore this intriguing, albeit unsettling, thought experiment. Together, we'll delve into the science behind oxygen's role in our lives and the potential consequences of its sudden disappearance. It's a journey that will deepen our appreciation for this essential element and remind us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Imagine this. You're going about your day when suddenly you can't breathe. The air, normally teeming with life-giving oxygen, is now useless. Panic sets in. This is the immediate and terrifying reality of an Earth without oxygen, even for just an hour. Humans and animals alike would experience immediate respiratory distress. Our cells, starved of oxygen, would begin to die. Within minutes, we'd feel lightheaded, disoriented, and weak. Prolonged oxygen deprivation would lead to more severe symptoms: unconsciousness, organ failure, and ultimately death. It's not just humans and animals that rely on oxygen. Plants, the silent architects of our atmosphere, need it too. During the day, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen through photosynthesis. But without oxygen to breathe, this process would halt. Water bodies, home to a diverse array of aquatic life, would also suffer. Fish, whales, and other marine creatures depend on dissolved oxygen in the water to survive. An hour without it would lead to mass die-offs, disrupting delicate ecosystems. Our built environment would not be spared either. Oxygen plays a crucial role in combustion. Without it, engines wouldn't run, fires wouldn't burn, and many of our technologies would grind to a halt. Imagine a world where cars stall mid-drive, airplanes fall from the sky, and power plants shut down. The sudden absence of oxygen would expose the fragility of our infrastructure, reminding us of our dependence on this invisible gas. Section 5, the sky is falling. Atmospheric upheaval. The atmosphere itself would undergo dramatic changes. Without oxygen, the sky would darken, turning a deep, unsettling shade of blue. This is because oxygen molecules scatter blue light more effectively than other colors, giving our sky its characteristic hue. Furthermore, the lack of oxygen would disrupt weather patterns. The delicate balance of gases that drives our climate would be thrown into disarray, potentially leading to unpredictable and extreme weather events. Section 6, Oxygen Trivia, fun facts about our invisible friend. Now, let's take a break from the doom and gloom and explore some fascinating facts about oxygen, the invisible friend that keeps us alive and thriving. Did you know that oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere? This might seem like a small fraction, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of life on our planet. That might not seem like much, but it's essential for life as we know it. Without this 21%, the world would be a very different place. Plants, animals, and humans all rely on this precious gas to survive and thrive. The Amazon rainforest is often called the lungs of the planet because it produces a significant amount of the world's oxygen. In fact, this vast expanse of greenery is responsible for generating about 20% of the oxygen we breathe. Imagine the Amazon as a giant air purifier, working tirelessly to keep our atmosphere clean and breathable. Oxygen is not only found in the air we breathe, but also in water, rocks, and even our own bodies. In water, oxygen is bonded with hydrogen to form H2O, the essential compound that sustains all forms of life. In rocks, oxygen is a key component of many minerals and geological formations. And within our bodies, oxygen is carried by red blood cells to every cell, fueling our metabolism and keeping us alive. These fun facts remind us that oxygen is more than just a gas. It's a fundamental building block of our planet and everything on it. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, and even the food we eat, oxygen is intricately woven into the fabric of our existence. So next time you take a deep breath, remember to thank our invisible friend oxygen for being the unsung hero that makes life possible. It's fascinating to think about how something so invisible and seemingly insignificant can have such a profound impact on our lives. Oxygen is a silent guardian, always present but rarely noticed. It powers our bodies, fuels our adventures, and connects us to the natural world in ways we often take for granted. Plants, for instance, play a crucial role in the oxygen cycle. Through the process of photosynthesis, they convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, replenishing the air we breathe. This beautiful symbiotic relationship between plants and animals is a testament to the intricate balance of nature. Scientists continue to study oxygen and its various roles in different ecosystems. From understanding how oxygen levels affect marine life to exploring its potential in medical treatments, the research is ongoing and ever-evolving. Each discovery brings us closer to appreciating the full extent of oxygen's importance. So whether you're taking a leisurely stroll in the park, diving into the ocean, or simply enjoying a quiet moment of meditation, remember that oxygen is there, supporting you every step of the way. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth and the delicate balance that sustains us. As the sun sets and the day comes to an end, take a moment to appreciate the invisible friend that has been with you all along. Oxygen, the silent force that breathes life into our world, is truly a marvel of nature. Let's cherish and protect it for generations to come. Section 7. The day the Earth held its breath. A summary of events. So what have we learned? An hour without oxygen would be catastrophic. Humans and animals would suffocate, plants would wither, and our infrastructure would crumble. The atmosphere itself would transform, with a darkened sky and unpredictable weather patterns. The good news is, after that long, terrifying hour, oxygen would return, but the experience would leave an indelible mark on our planet and our collective psyche. Section 8. Life after an oxygen holiday. Long-term consequences. While an hour without oxygen wouldn't be enough to wipe out all life on Earth, the long-term consequences would be significant. Mass die-offs of animals and plants would disrupt ecosystems, potentially leading to cascading effects throughout the food chain. The sudden return of oxygen could also have unforeseen consequences. The rapid reintroduction of oxygen into the atmosphere could trigger widespread wildfires, further damaging the environment. Section 9. Could this really happen? Exploring the possibilities. Now you might be wondering, could Earth ever really lose all its oxygen? The short answer is, it's highly unlikely. Oxygen is constantly being replenished by plants and algae through photosynthesis. However, certain catastrophic events, like a massive asteroid impact or a supervolcanic eruption, could potentially disrupt Earth's atmosphere and deplete oxygen levels, though not entirely. Section 10. Prevention is key safeguarding our oxygen supply. While the complete disappearance of oxygen is improbable, it's crucial to remember that our planet is not invincible. Human activities such as deforestation and pollution are already impacting oxygen levels in certain areas. It's our responsibility to protect our planet and ensure a sustainable future for all. By reducing our carbon footprint, supporting reforestation efforts, and advocating for environmental protection, we can help safeguard Earth's precious oxygen supply. Section 11. Reflections on a near-miss, lessons learned. The hypothetical scenario of an hour without oxygen serves as a stark reminder of our dependence on the natural world. It underscores the interconnectedness of all living things and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Even though it's just a thought experiment, it highlights the importance of scientific literacy, environmental stewardship, and global cooperation in addressing the challenges facing our planet. Section 12. Our blue planet, a fragile oasis in the cosmos. As we conclude our journey through the vast and mysterious expanse of the universe, let us remember that Earth is a rare and precious oasis in the vastness of space. Its life-sustaining atmosphere, with its delicate balance of gases, is a testament to the power and fragility of nature. This thin veil of air, composed of nitrogen, oxygen, and trace gases, is all that stands between us and the harsh vacuum of space. It is within this fragile envelope that all known life exists, from the tiniest microorganisms to the largest mammals. The forests, mountains, and oceans that we see are all part of this intricate web of life, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Let us cherish this pale blue dot, our only home, and recognize the responsibility we have to protect it. The continents and landscapes that we see from space are not just land masses, they are the homes of countless species, including our own. We must work together to ensure that future generations can continue to breathe freely and marvel at the wonders of a world teeming with life. This means taking action to combat climate change, preserve natural habitats, and promote sustainable living. The wildlife in our forests and the vibrant coral reefs in our oceans are indicators of the health of our planet. By protecting these ecosystems, we are not only preserving the beauty of our world, but also ensuring the survival of the diverse forms of life that call Earth home. Let us be stewards of this fragile oasis, nurturing it with care and respect so that it may continue to thrive for generations to come.